Hello everyone, my name is Gnana Raju. I'm a certified nutritionist and fitness consultant, wellness coach working for last 18 years. Also a 20K senior executive president member from Herbalife Nutrition. And I'm 51 years. I would like to present you one of the wonderful videos about money philosophy. Many people, they wonder about money. So they say, I don't have any money. So I cannot become anything, sir. I cannot achieve any success. I cannot have any money. So they believe as if it's like a curse. They cannot do anything. So which is not the reason why they become successful actually. So it's the other way around. Money is actually very less part of it. 1% of the business you require for money. 99% it's not the money. It's all other features you require. So that's why you said philosophy, the things, the beliefs, what you have. So I would like to, start the video. Before the starting the video, I would like to introduce about myself. I was a former district registrar, group 1 officer, worked in government of Andhra Pradesh for 10 years. Then I quit my job and I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner and cyclist, CPR AID certified Zumba and Strongman Zumba instructor, and working in this company for last 18 years. So I'm 51 years, as I said. Now I'm very thankful to this wonderful, my mentor, Jim Rohn. He is one of the greatest world famous business philosopher. I have met him and I underwent a lot of trainings with him. I'm so happy and I researched a lot of things about him and recently no more. And but though he is no more, but he is trained. His trainings are with me, and most of the trainings are from his mind. So I'm just elaborating whatever I learned from him. So there are 10 points to understand about money philosophy. Number one, the philosophy of a dollar. Here is a dollar, will you spend it or invest it? What are you going to do with this dollar? Buy a Coca-Cola or buy a brochure about a product you believe in and go tell the story. So there is, suppose I give you $100 or say $1, say 100 rupees. So out of 100 rupees, what are you going to do with that 100 rupees? Are you going to buy one ice cream or buy Coca-Cola or buy 100 pamphlets or 100 brochures from me and give it to different people? What if you buy and eat ice cream, Coca-Cola, it will gone. But what if you buy 100 brochures from me and distribute to 100 people? Okay, so 100 out of 100 people, say 10 people take the product. So you get per customer 1,000 rupees into 10, that's it 10,000 rupees. So what are you doing that 100 rupees? Instead of spending it, you are actually investing it. The 100 rupees becomes 10,000 rupees. You are multiplying it. Remember this. So everybody have the money. It's not lack of money, but it's the how you put the money into use. So don't say it's only $1, it's only 100 rupees. What will come? One biryani will come. So you don't understand. If you wish, instead of buying Coca-Cola, you can turn into the capital. A dollar turned into capital instead of a Coca-Cola or ice cream or biryani. What is the difference? The difference is fortune. The Coca-Cola is soon gone, but with the only $1, the beginning of a lasting fortunes are made. So number two, you have got the money. Everybody got the money. It depends on where you put it. Everybody has the time. Everybody has the imagination and the mental, spiritual, social resources. How your life turns out depends on how you use your resources and money, where you put it and where you invest it. That's the key to, how you turn your life around. This is very important. Everybody get the money. People say I'm poor, I'm middle class. It's not the correct one. Everybody can become rich. Everybody can convert into the capital into business. So let us understand what is capitalism and communism. Capital is any value set aside to be invested in an enterprise that brings value to the public with the hope of making a profit. So suppose you have 1,000 rupees. The 1,000 rupees you can buy one shoe, or you can also invest in the share market. The 1,000 rupees in that Nike shoe, shares, or you can buy 1,000 rupees, ice cream or biryani, or you can invest in the shares of that company, right? So remember, what is the difference? Lot of difference is there. Communism says people are dumb and stupid. So let wise government, they think government is wise. Poor people are dumb and stupid. They don't have any mind. They say government, we take care of your all money and people just to show off to your jobs. So government show the job, you have to do your work. So that is why communism utter flopped. He failed miserably. Why? He considers people's mentality, they are dumb and stupid. They don't know anything. They are worth for nothing. They only think government is wise enough, wise institution. So then naturally what happened? The people who are wise and they can do a lot of hard work. They are paying the same money even to the lazy people who are not using their mind and they are not creative. They just show off their assignment. They get the same salary. So why anybody work very hard? You tell me. So that's the reason why capitalism is always better than communism. You can become a capitalist. Become a capitalist. Children can become capitalist with one cycle for owning and another to rent. They buy two cycles, one for rent, another to ride it. So now children can also pay taxes. Use your imagination, creativity, ingenuity, and skills. So that's the reason why I'm telling you. It's all the wise. Make wise use of the capital. It's not lack of money. Everybody have the money. There is nothing like poor people. Is poor people are poor because they don't know how to allocate the resources, how to convert that money, whatever they got into, turn into capital. So now we are going to discuss about 10 points. So in spite of lack of money, can you come up in life? Can you make more money? Yes. Number one is protect it. Don't spend your capital or give it away or lose it. You just set it aside for some money for reinvestment. For it is your investment for the future. So don't waste the money. Number two, time is more valuable than money than capital. Remember, the time is set aside and invest in enterprise that brings value to the marketplace with the hope of making a profit is more valuable than money. People think money will give you money. No, 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 not all the time. We have to allocate certain time. Time properly invested is worth a fortune. Warren Buffett, he most of the time he invests. He invests money also, but he's most of the time he calculates things about where to invest. He understands he invests more of his time and less of his money. Okay, that money converts into fortune. So, but is the time actually allocated there? Time invested can perform miracles. So wisely invest your time. Don't waste your time. Wisely invest your time. And the good thing is everybody has the time. 24 hours for the poor and the rich. God is justice. God is righteous. God always gives the equal opportunity for everyone. Number three, desperation is great incentive. What is a good investment? Desperation. I must. Gosh, I have to do something. This is called desperation. Desperation, there is a negative attitude, but it converts into wisely, it converts into a proper asset. It becomes like a capital, it becomes like an investment. So, damn it, I don't want to live like this. I want to no longer, I don't want to live in this kind of community. I don't want to live in this colony. I don't want to live in this house. I don't want to lead this kind of bike. I don't want to lead this kind of car. My God, enough is enough. Too much happened. The desperation, I have to go up. I cannot become like poor. I cannot lead this life like this. So this is called desperation. Is a great incentive. People do miracles in the desperation. But are you in comfort zone? If you are in comfort zone, this desperation will not come. Comfort zone, everything is provided. Your husband is providing everything. Housewife, no need to work hard. They just watch TV and they clean the vessels and take care of the house and all that. So that desperation comes when something is going wrong in our life. I'm not telling you invite it. I'm telling you this like I said. A housewife to a vice president. I will never ask you $10. I'll tell you the story. My mentor Jimran said this story to us. So I want to tell you to you. So a housewife once asked her husband $10. He said politely, why? What for? Then that lady decided on that day, I've been asking $10 for so long, and you always ask me what for. Does it mean I don't have any right to ask for at least $10? That means why I'm living like this, each time depending on my husband. That day she promised on herself that I will never ever ask my husband any money at all. That day she taken courses that decided to come up and she did some little research how to develop the skills of how I can go into reach in the marketplace. So she taken the courses, she developed her skills, and after 5-10 years, she's now proved to be vice president of a company. Then Jimran met her and said, how come you from being a housewife, you are here? Then she said her story. So on that day, Mr. Jimran, I promised on myself that I will never ever ask my husband any money, leave about $10, any money. And I kept my promise of the desperation I have, that made me come to this kind of level. Now you tell me what is that people require? It's not the method, it's not the DMO, it's not the capital. Money is very small. But if you have money, but you don't have desperation, you are still a poor. So we qualified for Australia vacation, free vacation from the company in June 2008. There is a flashback behind it. My wife's own brother died in Australia when he went to studies, higher studies, along with his student friends. Then he went to a beach and for swimming, and he was accidentally were thrown in the seashore. And she was having this kind of strong intention to go to Australia and see where my brother, where her brother died. She wanted to see. She wanted to spend some time there, but she couldn't. She thought after marrying me, she can get her dreams back, and I can take her to Australia. But looking at my salary in Group 1 job, government job, she became disappointed. She got too much disappointed because my salary was 6,000, 8,000. If 6,000, 8,000, where can I take her to Australia vacation? Australia. Then when company announced that free vacation, she got excited. She asked me, she put pressure on me saying, let us work hard for Australia vacation. And really we worked hard, and because of desperation, we qualified for Australia vacation. And she had taken her to the beach where her brother died, and we spent some time. And this is what I want to tell you. Anything is possible if you are desperate. If you are not desperate, nothing will happen. If you are in comfort zone, nothing will happen. And the second story we want to tell in our own story that, when we are qualifying for Atlantis vacation, Paradise Island, Bahamas in 2010, we have the same thing, desperation, because Cynthia wanted to badly go to America and qualify for this Atlantis vacation. But that time I was working for President Team Qualify. They requires royalty points. For this vacation require personal volume points. Now you can see this my situation. But desperation is the only thing. Nothing happened, only desperation. We were struggling. We wanted to qualify. So we got it done. We got it done and qualified for USA 2010 Bahamas vacation, Paradise Island, because of only one thing. Yeah, we don't know how we did it, but we did it. I'm telling you, a hungry person knows the hunger. Hunger, the desperation is very important key for your success. Number 4, determination. I will. What is also a good investment? Determination. I will. Sarah, a Faro, mother of 2 children, husband left sick, weak, and financially broke, made into a President Team member. Now she is a millionaire, and she had a lot of houses and cars and properties and other things. Sarah Faro, when she came to one meeting, Herbalife meeting, opportunity meeting, HOM, and she don't have even money to join the company. Now she asked for, she only have 100 rupees. I'm telling in terms of rupees, 100 rupees. Can you give me some brochures? So she taken 100 brochures. I'm giving a rough example and given to her friends. Out of 100 friends, and she don't have any money. She don't have any experience. She just got 10 customers and brought it to her sponsor, said these people are interested in losing weight. And the 10 customers taken the product, she got 10,000 rupees. So what she did, what is the incentive? She don't have any money, but what she has, the determination. I have to qualify. I have to earn money with this. Before she get the skill, she got this desperation, determination, very important. One housemaid brought the house. She served as a sweeper after becoming a President member in our company. You can understand the house where she used to sweep and swab. That same house she bought it after becoming President member, after coming to Herbalife. I'm telling you, these are miracles. Do happen when people have this strong determination. I will, no matter what. Cynthia, housewife to a businesswoman, she all her own will. She brought me into Herbalife, and she was a housewife. I never give time to, I don't give so much of time to her, nor my children, because morning I go, come back when it was very busy. I was in very ambitious officer. I wanted to become a collector, district collector. I went up to IAS interview. So I thought, due to promotions, I have to work very hard. But that is the time she was struggling. She wanted to do something. She came for earning extra 5,000 rupees, and not just only 5,000 to kill her time. We don't have any hope at that time, 18 years back. Now we have a lot of hope, a lot of future. And I also decided this job will not take me anywhere. Maybe I can become IAS officer. There maybe salary will be 2 lakhs. But they're again struggling round the clock. Then I thought I will not be giving my time to my family. Even the imbalance will be more. So my health I have to lose. So then I decided this is the company where I can help myself health-wise and wealth-wise. And let me also develop my skills. So I have a strong why. Why is our children, for our bright future of our children, we thought decided, no, let us do it very seriously. Then that's how our income grown. When why is strong, how is easy. Go. Where there is a will, there is a way. So dream big. This is very important for achieving greater success. Bigger dream makes you bigger success. Number fifth one point is courage. After 10 points, this fifth point, courage. Courage is more valuable than money, especially courage in spite of the circumstances. People say, sir, my family is not encouraging, my husband is not encouraging, my children are not encouraging, so relatives are not encouraging. In spite of the circumstances, you have to remove the courage. Cat can become tiger when it is cornered, brings out, open its courage. Cat, though it turns, shouts meow meow, suddenly becomes like a tiger. How? When it is cornered, the inside the fear removes and opens out its courage. So that means everybody have courage, that you have to bring it open. No courage, no wealth. People bring out their courage open when they are hungry for success. If you are very hungry for success, I'm telling you, you don't worry about courage. Courage automatically comes. When you are in comfort zone, you will never bring out open your courage. You are all in excuses. Any excuses. My relatives came. That is why I'm not attending the training. My friends came. I have to go to movie. I have to attend this function. All these kind of things will come when you are in comfort zone. When you say, damn it, I want to go. This year I have to reach this financial target. I have to buy a car, buy a property for my children. I have to keep money. So these other things all become like excuses. So before and after, I was also like many of you. You can see me there, a government officer. I don't have much experience in business, but now become leader. There I was a boss. Okay. Now number 6, ambition. You can sell 3, you can sell 33. You are now dazzled by your own dreams of the future. Because if you have 1 customer, you can have 2 customers, then 3 customers, then 5 customers. You can dazzle because ambition, you understood it, how to multiply it. So first what you require is 1 customer, 1 associate, then you can increase the number. So initial success, enough. Then you understand, okay, I can become successful. You can increase the frequencies. Then you become very ambitious. If you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is your mistake. That's what Bill Gates says. That's how Bill Gates become rich. He never, thought that I will remain as a poor, middle class. He decided that born poor is not your choice, but dying poor is your choice. So be ambitious. So I was a government officer, administrator, now leader. Lead by example, leading so many people, not joke. Government officer just give instructions and commands and say apply the rule position. You don't require to be so much, winning the people. Whereas here you require to win the people. You require to work hard on yourself. Number 7, faith. Faith is like a substance. In the Bible, it is mentioned. It's like a substance. It is as good as like a real thing. Hoped for, substance of things hoped for, and evidence of things not seen. It's like evidence, not seen. Just before buying a house, before building a house, you see the house actually. Before building the house, you see this is a bedroom, this is kitchen, this is a bathroom. So everything you can show to your friends also. This is the place the bedroom is going. This is the place bathroom. How? Before the house comes, you already saw it in your mind. That's called applying the faith. When things not happening, but still you are seeing. Many of your friends and relatives, they don't see all this. They say nothing will come, no success will come. But you say, no, I'm going to become president team. I'm going to become chairman club. How? You are seeing the things beforehand. Okay, with the visualizing your future. Without vision, people perish. This again, one more Bible phrase. So without vision, people die. So you require proper vision. Visualize your future before it is actually happening. So this is very important. Become like a magnet. Okay. So now before you can see me there, how I was, how we were. Now we can see how we are. So different from the health point of view, looks point of view, mind point of view. Mentally, we became very strong. In vacation, we hardly have any vacation because salary, less salary, we difficult to pronounce vacation. Very difficulty. I taken my wife to Goa. You can see left side picture how we were, and we immediately returned. No money, not enough, bank balance, and all the time very expensive. We cannot afford. No happy things there. Then immediately return back. Now we can enjoy a lot. We enjoy a lot of vacations now. We keep just going by flight and come back and lavish hotels and all. So now we get a 7-digit income, monthly income, as well as 7-digit annual bonus. A lot of income, big income. So how these are possible? Without following all these principles. I don't have any money. I come from lower background, lower middle class. But how we arrange? We arrange the money. We arrange everything. Actually, money is only 1%. 99% is all these 10 points. Number 8, ingenuity. Ingenuity is putting your brains to work. Like startups, many people, they open their internet, they get like internet funding, crowdfunding. So what is that happening in crowdfunding? They just have idea. If the idea is good, people start giving you money. So then you pay back. Up until now, you have probably put 1/10 of your brain power to work. Only 1/10 of brain an average person used to use the brain. What if rest of 9/10 if you use it? So very important. What is ingenuity worth? A fortune. It is more valuable than money. So all you need is $1 and plenty of ingenuity. You don't require much money, one few dollars. And what you require is ingenuity more of your interest, creativity, skills, and all. I want to show one more interesting story. We call her as a donkey lady in our company. This lady, she just see her, not enough good clothes, not shoes, and no two-wheeler, no four-wheeler. Resources are not there, but just she became nice after using the Herbalife products. And she underwent the feeling. My God, she came from nowhere, she became somewhere. So she understood that these products have, life. These products give me the great health. So many people outside, they require this kind of opportunity. So then she started no resources. So whatever little resources she has, she bought few products and she taken on the donkey. She used to walk miles to go to next village and show them this will be helpful, and show the pitch book, presentation book. This how the results will be. This is what happened in my life. Then people start understanding. They say, let me try. So few people try and they get result. They give to more people. That's how she became president member. Now slowly she started bringing people to her own place. She understood how to, instead of traveling, let people travel and come to her. And she became president team. Now she's executive president team like me. And she also makes 7-digit income. And she's awarded, get an annual bonus also like me. Why I'm telling you, these are so many successful stories. Money is less. What is important is this kind of ingenuity, determination, skills, and burning desire. The skills make you rich, not the money make you rich. Skills, develop the skills, sales skills, organizing people, organizing meetings, body language, grooming, social media skills, and training skills, promotion skills, how to use the time wisely. These are very important. Last but one, 9th point, heart and soul. What is substitute for heart and soul? It's not the money. Money can't buy heart and soul. If you have $1 million without heart and soul, you have poor, you have no life. Heart and soul is the unseen magic that moves people to buy, move people to make decisions, move people to act, and moves people to respond. It's called passion, passionate about what you are speaking. When you are speaking, speak to the heart. Wow, my God, what happened after using this product? I became so nice, and my waistline came down. I'm becoming lighter, and my acidity gone, and I'm feeling nice, fantastic. That's where I understood I can do exercise. Previously, I was not able to do it. Now I could able to get up and I can stand. These feelings, it talk from the heart, depth of your heart. It's called heart and soul. Be passionate. People love it. It's not what you say; it is how you say. This is what Mark Hughes says. So now we can see one more example. Who used her passion? Dan Stanford from UK. At the age of 65, she joined our company Herbalife Nutrition at the age of 65. And after 19 years, she became qualified as a president member. President team is very good position where you met 6-digit income. So this kind of income. Why I'm telling you now, this is possible for you. When see that lady at the age of 65 and she qualified at say 84 years, everybody can do it. So this is what I'm telling. Number 10, last point, personality. Sharpen your personality, groom your skills, groom as a person, like a magnetic person, develop your charisma, sophistication with a touch of humility, and is the ultimate investment. What people cannot buy with money, they can buy with your words, the trust, confidence you bring to the people. So it's not the lack of resources, it's a lack of attitude, great attitude. So I don't have that kind of attitude before. I was a busy officer. You can see me there. Morning I go and come back by night with white shirt, in white shirt I was also working as assistant inspector general of Asian staffs. This great attitude is not required because you can just order. Okay, order the people. You are a boss. Whereas here, I have my own staff and government car. It will be big officer, but less money. Unless I misuse money, I don't get so much money. Bribes, which I was not interested. That's where I got interested in this company, where this is a honest company where you just work hard and make money. no other things. Only work hard and make money. And first we have to invest on ourselves. Use the product. My wife used the product. You can see the transformation. Just 20 years. She is here. She's 23 here, 43. 20 years you can see the transformation. Here I'm 27. Here 47. After 20 years you can see the transformation. And we attracted many people with our attitude and personal development and skills. We teach fish. We teach people how to fish. Now we don't give fish. We don't give money, but we teach them how to make money. So this is my team. We love the people. If you love the people helping, this is the best opportunity. Once you teach people these kind of ideas, how to make money, how to come out of their poverty to high economic levels, middle class, higher middle class, maybe first class. So then people respect you. They give you chances to speak on the stage. They give recognition. Recently, we got this lifetime achievement award of 1 million value points, and we get 7-digit income, monthly income. Not only 7-digit monthly income, we also get 7-digit annual bonus also. So we are thankful to God. We became prosperous and successful, and we attend a lot of trainings because this will open up our minds. And Cynthia recently got this award called Woman for Golden Telangana. From where she came, for 5,000 she came. Now she makes 7-digit, and see the respect she also commands. This can happen to you. We both together work. In my government job, I don't give time to my family, nor give time to my health and no future. Their only stress was building up. Whereas here is the opportunity for us to live together and happily, prosperous, keep traveling world, and we invest our time in our children and family and business, right? So if you are interested in knowing more about myself, I already told about me. You can come to my websites and email and YouTube and phone numbers. If you already have a mentor, already have a coach, no need to call me. If you don't have anyone, please do approach me. We are happy to mentor you, call you, and teach you. And you can always join with us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wish you all the best. God bless you. And thank you for your patience. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video to many people so that they also get benefited. Okay, so thank you so much for your understanding and patience. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.